Welcome back children, Srinivas here. We are discussing relations and function exercise 1.1. We are doing question number 5. Check whether the relation R in real number R is defined by R is a set of all order plus A comma B, A less than or equal to B cube. This is a formula like thing. You should know the relation. This is a relation A less than or equal to B cube is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Here there is no clue whether it is reflexive, symmetric or you have to check whether it is. But previous question it was said that it is not reflexive, it is not symmetric, you have to show that it is transitive like that. So the question is we have to work out and we have to find. We have to choose the data such a way it should not be reflexive or symmetric, that we have to decide. Now let us take two numerical values. I am going to take a value, let us go with 2. Okay, 2 belongs to R. Okay, 2 less than, see here, 2 less than or equal to 2 cube, because we know if you to show reflexive you should have, if you choose x belongs to the real number set R, then x comma x belongs to R, then we call it as reflexive. Okay children, so you see here 2 belongs to R, 2 less than or equal, yes, 2 less than 8, I can say reflexive, but it is not correct. For it should be real number is a big set, we have to choose numbers accordingly. This condition is satisfied. If you have taken a integer, then it is satisfied. But if you go for a fraction, it should satisfy for all the conditions. So you say I am going to take a fraction 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is also a real number, so I have taken 1 by 2. Now tell me whether 1 by 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 2 the whole cube. 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 8. No, 1 by 8 is very smaller when compared to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 8, it is not less than, so it is false. See children, when you take 2 and when you take 2, the condition was satisfied, but it should satisfy all. You should take for a fraction, you should go for a negative numbers, all these things are there. As I took a fraction, I got the condition is false. Hereafter I need not want to check, and directly I write R is not reflexive because it is not possible. So 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 cannot be present in R, does not belongs to R, therefore R is not reflexive. Okay children, okay. So randomly if you choose any numbers, you may see that it is reflexive, but it should satisfy all the condition. Okay, if you want you can write a property like this for every reflexive, symmetric and transitive you can write. Now I am taking a number negative 2 comma 3. How I am taking particularly negative 2 comma 3? Because I worked out in the paper and I found this so every teacher is like that. They will previously they will work out and they will find the numbers, but in the examination you have to go and you have to practice and you have to find out. Minus 2 comma 3, they are in the real number set of expression. Now we say negative 2 comma 3 belongs to R. Yes, we'll check. Minus 2 less than or equal to 3 cube. Yes, obviously it's a positive number, it's a negative number, it's 2. So it is there in the relation. Can you tell me now 3 less than or equal to minus 2 cube? No, it is false. Why? Because this is negative number. Even if you cube, it is a negative number. So 3 is a positive number, is greater. It's false. So you cannot have 3 comma minus 2 in the relation. You cannot have. Therefore R is not symmetric. As I am telling you repeatedly children, if you choose any other number, the condition may get satisfied, but it should satisfy all the different types of numbers in the real number set, then only it is called as symmetric. Now we will go for transitive. Now I have taken 3 numbers 12, 4 and 2 belongs to the real number set. I know 12 comma 4 belongs to R because 4 cube is 64, 12 is less than 64, and 4 comma 2 belongs to R. 2 cube is 8, 4 is less than 8, so it is there. Now you should tell me 12 comma 2 whether it belongs to R. 12 comma 2. So let us check. 12 less than or equal to 2 square 2 cube. 12 less than or equal to 8 is false. 12 is bigger number. The condition is failed. So you cannot have 12 comma 8 in your 12 comma 2 in your relation. It's not possible. 12 comma 2 does not belong to. Therefore R is not transitive. So it's not reflexive, it's not transsymmetric, it's not transitive. So you have to choose a number in such a way your condition is not transitive. You have to randomly check for a fraction or a negative number or any positive numbers in an ascending order or in a descending order. You have to check. Okay, that comes only by practice. Thank you, children. I hope you are following all my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.